Hi everyone, by default, Windows 11 connects automatically to saved Wi-Fi networks when they're in range. While this is convenient for frequently used networks, you might not want to enable it for every wireless connection. In this how-to guide, we will automatically walk you through the steps to prevent your laptop from connecting to the wireless access points. Automatically use these steps. First, open the Settings application on your computer. You can do this quickly by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows key plus I. Next, navigate to the Network and Internet section in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find options to manage network settings and connections. Next, click on the Wi-Fi page on the right-hand side. This will display all settings related to wireless connections. Next, select the Show Available Networks option. This will display a list of all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Next, choose the network you want to connect to and clear the Connect Automatically checkbox. This option ensures that Windows 11 does not automatically reconnect to this network in the future. Next, click the Connect button and enter the wireless network password if required. Once you complete these steps, your laptop will connect to the selected network but will not automatically reconnect when it's in range unless you re-enable the Connect Automatically option. With these simple adjustments, you can have more control over your Wi-Fi connections, ensuring that your device connects only when you need it.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.